I present now the results of our bibliometric analysis, which we conducted based on 167 articles about artificial intelligence published during 1987 and 2021 in top-ranked academic journals in marketing. There's an increase of publications starting from 2019, which sharply augmented in 2020, indicating the strong recent interest of the academic community on the topic of AI. We visualized the results by using a VOS viewer, where we map the keyword or co-occurrences, which result in a total of 7 different clusters of applications in AI in marketing. So we can see here the graph with the different clusters of AI applications in marketing. So we can see 7 clusters with different domains of applications. So the first cluster is based on the most frequent keywords: content analysis, deep learning, machine learning, natural language processing, recommender system, and text mining. Thus, we identify and name the merging team of this cluster as AI techniques and applications. Papers in these categories offer methodological contributions by applying or analyzing AI techniques. So it's clearly based on techniques, how to analyze data, how AI apply machine learning, deep learning, and content analysis, natural language processing to integrate recommender systems into the marketing approach. The second cluster in green includes the following keywords: anthropomorphism, engagement, personalization, replacement, robots, and service strategies. In this cluster, mainly used theories are theories about anthropomorphism, about social presence, to investigate customer engagement, customer relationships, human replacement, and service strategies. We name this cluster as applications about human AI interactions in marketing and service settings. The third cluster in red includes the following keywords: consumer decision-making, ethics, privacy concerns, robotics, technology adoption, trust, and voice assistance. In this cluster, the research mainly focuses on ethics of AI and technology adoption. That is, trust towards technologies and issues related to privacy and data collection. We name this cluster AI and ethics. Cluster 4 in yellow includes the keywords of automation, consumption behavior, customer engagement, customer satisfaction, interactivity. Research in this cluster mainly investigates consumption behaviors and psychological mechanisms related to automation and AI technology. In this category, theories are mostly related to psychological theories to investigate customer behaviors when using AI technologies, in particular adoption intention, customer engagement and interactivity, satisfaction and loyalty, and decision-making in the era of AI. The fifth cluster in purple includes keywords about big data, digital transformation, digitalization, and business strategy, mainly focusing on how companies are adapting to AI. In this cluster, research focuses on topics related to the digital transformation and the way AI and big data are affecting company strategies. We name this cluster AI, company transformation, and digital strategy. In the sixth cluster, in blue, light blue, we find keywords related to chatbots, customer experiences, sentiment analysis, social media. Research in this cluster mainly focuses on AI applications for automated customer relationship management and social media. And finally, the seventh cluster in orange includes keywords about customer value, e-commerce, financial services, service quality, and mainly focuses on how financial services and e-commerce and economic transactions are affected by AI technologies. So in summary, before coming in detail to the research of each cluster and indicating the main results of research about the different core topics in the 7 clusters, in summary, we can say that the status quo in research at the moment focuses on 7 different topics. Technical topics in cluster 1 about techniques, how to apply AI, about how to make AI similar to humans through anthropomorphism, how AI can create value through personalization, through service robots, but also to issues about employee replacement and employee augmentation in the service strategy, and how social presence can be created through anthropomorphism. A third topic or cluster is about decision making, how customers take decisions and how AI can help them to take better decisions, enabled through robotics and chatbots, voice assistants, and other digital assistants. It is interesting also that this cluster focuses on technology adoption and trust, which is crucial in the domain of AI, and how trust can be created through decreasing privacy concerns. This is a crucial topic, how the big data collected and analyzed can be used, protected in order to increase trust, but it's also related to technology security of the AI. In a fourth segment, research and managerial preoccupations are about automation and typical marketing variables, how this AI automation influences consumer behavior, increases customer engagement, customer loyalty, customer satisfaction. Research investigates psychological mechanisms related to automation and AI technology and how it impacts consumer behavior. The fifth cluster is about digitalization, big data, and firm strategies, how firms transform or should transform in order to survive in the evolution and the development of AI. The sixth cluster or sixth research domain is about how chatbots can increase customer experience and how sentiment, word and text and picture and video analysis can increase customer experiences and improve customer relationship management. And finally, the seventh research domain is about e-commerce and how AI can improve e-commerce. So in the following, we will see in detail each cluster and how in each cluster AI can create business value and customer value.